Hello, my beautiful souls. I am Achal Verma and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Beyond Sense. I thank you to those who have already subscribed my channel and requesting others to please become the part of my family by clicking on the bell icon and subscribe button for future notifications. So let's see the card of the day for 5th December 2021. First, I would be starting with the tarot card, followed by the angel guidance, and then message from the universe. So let's see the reading. The devil. Oh my god. Okay. Let's keep it this. Honor your feelings, Archangel Haniel. Okay. So let's start with the reading. Okay, so what I feel is today is the day where you are going to get into a lot of temptations, or you are already into some kind of negative addiction, like excess food or alcohol or excess work patterns, or or any kind of a negative patterns that is impacting your life journey, okay, in a very bad way. So what I feel that these developing pattern is self damaging your life, your personal life, your career life. Anything whatever is there in excess is always harmful. So now is the time to start noticing, okay, so what excessive things that you are doing in your life, what that one thing you is required to change, in order to break this temptation or break this addiction, okay. So start noticing, start today is the day where you need to introspect inside and start noticing that what things or what patterns that is, negative patterns that is affecting my life or my some area of the life where I need to work on this and I need to stop it immediately, okay. Transition is required also. I feel that definitely yesterday 4 December was a new moon day, and after that a lot of things are released, and there is going to be a lot of new beginnings. So today is the day where you can try to cut off this negative patterns from your life and try to get into that transition period where you are going to promise yourself and you are going to break all the negative patterns and you're going to deal it with you're going to deal it with patiently and one by one. If you think that you are into a lot of negative patterns, so start dealing it with one by one, okay. However, you will gain control. What I feel, looking at the card, I think I'm getting that vibration that you can. It's not that late. You can get over into it by eliminating all the negative energies and start meditating and start focusing on the areas where immediate actions are required, okay. So a lot of healing is also required, okay. So don't get this negative pattern go into your head and spoil everything, okay. So what is the blessing from the angels? It says honor your feelings. So at times it is okay, guys, to get emotional, to cry loud and express your emotions. It is okay if you feel that you are stuck somewhere and you're not able to get out of this temptation and you want to cry. It is okay to express your emotions, okay. If you feel awkward to express yourself in front of others, sit alone, give yourself a me time and express your feelings. Talk to angels, they are always there, and especially today angel Haniel is there to honor your feelings, to listen to you, okay. So I feel you can just call her Archangel Haniel. Archangel Haniel, I required your assistance. Please bless me. Please understand me. Please talk to me and give me some signs where I will be able to work on this negative area of my life. So you can just start expressing and acknowledging your feelings first, okay, before you accept, or before you want anyone to help you in this. You need to express and acknowledge your feelings first. You need to understand what and how are you feeling, and what are the areas where you require changes, and then look out for help. Definitely angels are always there for the help, and definitely if you will be able to honor your feelings, if you will be able to express your feelings to others, they will understand, and people are there to help you out and take you out of this negative patterns, okay. So this is the day, start working on that. What is the one message from the universe is that you have enough money, okay. Even if you think that you need a healing session required, you can, you have that arrangement with you. You can go for a healing, you can done your reading, you can get a reading done for yourself, what areas in your life need changes immediately, or you can just sit and meditate, and in archangel Haniel to help you with this. Definitely there will be some kind of a message popping out from them, and they will be assisting you for the change. So that doesn't mean if you have enough of money and you would be spending it in a wrong way, okay. So you have money, either you can invest it or you can keep it safe, but at present, do not invest into some kind of a negative temptations or negative addictions where you are at present. Do not spend unnecessarily. If you have money, keep it with you safe. Do not fall into any kind of a temptations or any addictions and unnecessarily waste money, okay. So this was the reading for card of the day, 5th December 2021. Take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Hope you like my reading. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share my readings. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.